another tip as far as how to navigate around CRM in a more effective way is that you do have the ability to see recent records you've interacted with, as well as pinning records that are getting a lot of your attention in a given week or a given day. So for example, I can see all my recent records, and this also includes recent views that I've interacted with. So in this case, I can see my all leads, all account, my active accounts, as well as specific records like Fabricom, Albert Einstein, so on and so forth. So I can easily get back to what I was already looking at earlier. From a pinned record perspective, you can see here I have my JourneyTEAM account pinned. I have my contact record pinned as well as a dashboard pinned. So you can pin records as well as dashboards for quick access. So I can come in here, I can see my sales manager dashboard. I can get access to this information as well as quickly navigating to my JourneyTEAM account. So this is a good way to easily navigate around in the system and quickly get to the information that you are currently working on and or that requires your attention and focus.